Okay, pi r square h plus cone is how much? Anyone can tell me? It is pi r square h but upon 3. But remember, both the radius is same but height is different. So 1 h I will write it as capital for the cone so that you can make out the difference. Radius doesn't matter because radius is same for both of them. So we can do with 1 r only. But for the height you have different height for both the shapes. Okay. So now if you see, you have what thing common, that is pi, which is common for both of them. R is common for both of them, h is different. So I'll just, what I'll do, pi r square I'll take out, h is 20. Oh wait, I just had to write one time at least what things are. Pi r square bracket h plus capital H upon 3. Next you have 3.14. It is given in the question that you have to take the pi here as 3.14. Radius all where it is 20. So 20. Then h of cylinder, height of cylinder was 20 plus height of cone is 21 upon 3. So if you see, 3.14 into 20 into 20 is 400. 20 plus here 21 upon 3 is 7. So 3.14 into 400 into 20 plus 7 is 27. So just multiply all of them. You get a very easy way to solve. You just multiply. So what I do is I will multiply these two. So 0 0 I write. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. 4 3s are 12. Now you have a decimal 2 digit before. So 2 digit before into 27 is still remaining. So now 1 2 5 6 multiply by 27. Just multiply in the rough. 1 2 5 6 into 27. 6 7s are 42. 7 5s are 35 plus 4 39. 7 2s are 14 15 16 17. 7 1s are 7 plus 1 8. Then 6 2s are 12. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 1s are 2. So 2 9 10 11. 7 8 9. 8 plus 5 13. So 3 3 9 1 2 meter cube, because it is volume, will be the volume of the whole tent. Volume, you will write therefore volume of whole tent is equals to this. So by this your section C, that is 3 marks question, is over. Now let's come into section B. What we can do is we can divide the section A and B for the next class.